So I got these knuckle protection gloves for riding in the winter, and let's check them out and see what we got. Do a little unboxing video, unbagging video. It's supposed to be real goat leather, aniline goat leather. It's pretty soft, feels somewhat durable. I mean, you never know until you try them out, see how long they last. Let's see, they fit reasonably well. I got an extra large. I probably should have got a large in my case. I do have big hands, I've been told, and I probably should have got a large, but they feel all right. I can see the plastic knuckle protection on there. There's a little bit of padding on the back, the gel padding they're talking about. And the anti-vibration gel padding in the heel of the palm right here. Not too bad. Got some protection on the finger and thumb, extra protection. Obviously the knuckle protection is important. They feel pretty good inside. Nothing special, but feel pretty good. Soft enough. The leather feels good. Looking forward to giving them a try.